Hello everyone, so this video will be on factorizing quadratics that have a coefficient greater than 1. So this is factorizing quadratics part 2. Be sure to check out factorizing quadratics part 1. Okay, so let's get started. So the first step is you have to multiply the first number and the last number of your quadratic. So 3 times negative 4 gives me negative 12. Now I'm going to write down every single number that multiplies to give me negative 12. So I can have minus 3 times 4, 3 times minus 4, because a negative and a positive make a negative. Also, I can have 6 times minus 2 or minus 6 times 2. And lastly, I can have 1 times minus 12 or minus 1 times 12. Now, I have to choose the one that adds up to the middle number, the number before x. So if you look here, the coefficient here of x is 1. So I have to choose the one that adds up to positive 1. So this one adds up to negative 1, so it's not that one. 3 take away, this one, minus 3 plus 4 gives us positive 1. So this is the one I need. If you look at this one, 3 plus negative 4 gives you negative 1, so it can't be this one. This one over here, minus 6 plus 2 gives me negative 4, so it's not that one. So the one I need is minus 3 and positive 4. Now, this is the tricky part. So you have to write this again. So 3x squared, but instead of positive 1x, you're going to have to write minus 3x, that came from here, plus 4x, that came from here, minus 4, that comes from there. Okay? Next thing you do, split up this expression you have. Factorize the left side into single brackets. So what's common? What can I divide 3 and 3 by? 3. I've got 2 x's here, I've got 1 x here, so I can take out 1 x. Now what do I multiply 3x by to get 3x squared? That's x. What do I multiply 3x by to get minus 3x? That's minus 1. Next one. What do I so what can I take out? I have 4x and minus 4, so I can take out positive 4. What do I multiply positive 4 by to get 4x? That's x. What do I multiply positive 4 by to get negative 4? That would be minus 1. Okay, now your last step, you just need to put these two terms together. So that's your first bracket, 3x plus 4. And then you're going to notice these two brackets are the same. That's going to be your other bracket. Okay? So quite a lot of things to do, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite an easy topic where you can pick up 3 or 4 marks. So let's try another example. So the first step, I'll do the first number multiplied by the last number. So 7 times minus 3 gives me negative 21. Now I write down everything that makes minus 21. So minus 7 times 3, or 7 times minus 3. 20 times minus 1, or minus 20 times 1. 21. Okay, so that's everything that makes minus 21. Now I'm going to choose the one that adds up to this middle number, which is plus 20. So this one adds up to minus 20. This one adds up to positive 20. So this is the one I need. So now, again, I'm going to replace this 20x with 21x minus x. So write the whole thing again. 7x squared plus 21x minus 1x minus 3. So as you can see, this 20x I've replaced with 21 plus 21x minus 1x. Okay, so next step, I split up the shape. I factorize each side. So here I can take out 7x. What do I multiply 7x by to get 7x squared? That's x. What do I multiply 7x by to get 21x? That's positive 3. Here, as you can see, there's nothing common, but I can take out minus 1. And remember, I'm trying to get the bracket to look the same as this one, x plus 3. So, what do I multiply minus 1 by to get minus 1x? That's x. What do I multiply minus 1 by to get minus 3? That's positive 3. Okay, so these two brackets are the same. So my first bracket is going to be 7x minus 1. And then my second bracket is going to be x plus 3. Okay, so guys, have a go at this question before I complete it. So pause the video, have a go, and then we'll go through it. Okay, so let's go through this one. Okay, so this one over here, let's go through it. So the first step, you have to do 2 multiplied by positive 15 gives us 30. Now write down everything that makes 30. So 30 times 1. Also minus 30 times minus 1, because 2 negatives make a positive. 6 times 5, or minus 6 times minus 5. 15 times 2, or minus 15 times minus 2. Or 10 times 3, or minus 10 times minus 3. Now, I think that's everything that makes 30. Now, I'm trying to choose the one that adds up to negative 13. Okay, so it's not this one, that's 31. It's not this one, that's 11. Minus 11, that's 17. Minus 17, that's 13. And this one is minus 13. So I'm going to replace the minus 13x with minus 10x and minus 3x. So 2x squared minus 10x minus 3x plus 15. I'm going to split the shape up, factorize each side. So I get, so here I can take out 2x. What do I multiply by 2x to get 2x squared? That's x. What do I multiply by 2x to get minus 10x? That's minus 5. Here I can take out negative 3. What do I multiply negative 3 by to get negative 3x? That's x. What do I multiply minus 3 by to get positive 15? That's minus 5. So my final answer is going to be 2x minus 3x minus 5. Okay, so guys, I hope that helped. Keep practicing these questions. That's the only way you're going to understand this topic.